How to remove background in Canva. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to remove backgrounds in Canva. Whether you want to highlight your subject or create a clean design, removing the background can really elevate your visuals. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free, and once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and choose your preferred dimensions or template. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, then click on the Upload an Image or Video button. Select your image file from your device and upload it to Canva. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto your design canvas. Resize or position it as needed to fit your layout. To remove the background, select your image and look for the Edit Image option. Click on it, then find the Background Remover tool. Click on this tool and Canva will automatically detect and remove the background from your image. After the background is removed, you might want to fine-tune the image. You can adjust the edges using the Erase and Restore tools to refine the areas that need a bit more attention. This helps achieve a clean and polished look. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose your preferred file format and then click Download again to save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips. Thanks for watching.